Hello, my name is Luke Merson, and today I'm going to be talking about how to compare and order fractions from least to greatest. There are three types of fractions we will focus on today. 1, fractions with the same denominator. 2, fractions with the same numerator. And 3, fractions with different numerators and denominators. When fractions have the same denominator, the smaller the numerator, the smaller the fraction. To order them from least to greatest, order the numerators from least to greatest. For example, we have 4 fractions that have the same denominator. 8/4, 3/4, 5/4, and 4/4. Let's just keep it easy. 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, and 8/4. That is the order. 3, 4, 5, and 8. That is how you order fractions with the same denominator from least to greatest. When fractions have the same numerator, the larger the denominator, the smaller the fractions. To order them from least to greatest, order the denominators from greatest to least. For example, we have 4 fractions with the same numerator, 4. So let's keep it easy. The biggest denominator is the least greatest, that is 6. Then 5, then 4, then 3. 6, 5, 4, 3. That is how you order fractions with the same numerator from least to greatest. When fractions have different numerators and denominators, you have to change each fraction so that they all have a common denominator. Once they all have a common denominator, you order the numerators from least to greatest. Here are the fractions with different numerators and denominators that we will compare. To find the common denominator, first find the least common multiple by listing multiples for each denominator. Then choose the smallest multiple listed for all denominators. Here, the least common multiple is 12. This is our common denominator. Once you have the common denominator, you need to multiply the denominators of the original fractions by the number that equals the common denominator. For example, 3 times 4 equals 12. Then you need to multiply the numerator of the original fractions by that same number. For example, 1 times 4 equals 4. This will give you new fractions with the same denominator. Then you just order the numerators of the new fractions from least to greatest. 3, 4, 8, 9, and 10. That is our order. Thank you for listening to me talk about how to order fractions from least to greatest. I hope you learned a lot.